So let's get straight to it. Beer can burgers with a delicious onion and blue cheese filling. Now, I'd never heard of them until I saw a vid on YouTube. Wow, what a game changer! A beer can is used to make a bowl in the centre of a burger, and then it's filled with all of your favourite fillings. Let your taste buds run wild. To get started, I have a pound of beef mince from my butcher. Good burgers need fat, about 20%. Add half of a finely chopped red onion, followed by a teaspoon of cumin, garlic powder and smoked paprika. Now get your hands in and mix it thoroughly. You know what? I forgot the black pepper. No salt, it draws out the moisture, and I want a juicy burger. Now mix that pepper in. Take 8 ounces of meat and roll it into a ball. Pop it into the burger press and press down to make a perfect half pounder. Now with a beer or soft drinks can, press it into the centre of the burger to make a bowl for our filling. Remove the outer ring of the press. I'm wrapping it in bacon secured with cocktail sticks. With your fingers, smooth the bacon over to make it all neat and tidy. Cover with cling film and into the fridge to firm up. My Weber Q's nice and hot. I'm using a heat shield and grid for indirect cooking. These burgers do need a bit more time on the grill. So it's been out of the fridge for about half an hour to come up to room temperature. Remove the film and get it off the plate. Start filling with a teaspoon of my Pickled Walnut Barbecue Sauce. Do check out my recipe. Now a couple of slices of Pickled Gherkin. These ain't just onions, they're my amazing onions for hot dogs. Another recipe for you to check out. So it's onto the grill. Close the lid. I forgot it again. Season with a grind of black pepper. This burger will take about 45 minutes to cook on indirect heat at around about 200 degrees C. Now just a thought, if you're enjoying the video so far, then give us a thumbs up. So it's time to have a look at it and check the internal temperature. 73, 74, well that's pretty well done. Get the bun onto toast and now the blue cheese. This is Shropshire Blue. It's a nice, smooth, mellow, creamy cheese. And there's more of it falling off and onto the grill. Just press it down a little. Close the lid and let it melt. That's it. The bun is toasted. And there is my juicy beer can burger, filled with onions and blue cheese. Serve it like this, or without a top, on a plate with salad. And now for an extra layer of flavour, a drizzle of my hot honey barbecue drizzle. You must check this one out. Let's dive in. The aroma coming from this burger is amazing. I really wished you could smell it. From the very first bite, it's a veritable tapestry of taste. If this is your kind of food, then click that button, activate and ding the bell, and let me know what you think. Now I'm going to enjoy this beer while you peruse some of my other videos. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.